Hello, our game name is Ethan's Way. The game is an aesthetic labyrinth game. Our aims is to reach Ethan's friends easy. Of course, this road contains some obstacles. The flame towers, plasma explosion try to prevent Ethan. As you can see, when Ethan touches the flame, Ethan lose health score. Also, we can collect pickup objects. If we collect 5 pickup objects, mini camera will open and we can see part of map. Also, we can collect health kit, and these objects give 10 health score. Let's continue playing. We collect pickup objects. We can jump. We collect pickup objects. We can escape obstacles through jumping. Also, we can escape through inline. We need to pay attention to plasma explosion. We lose health when we are on the blast. Life loss varies according to moment of explosion. These are minicam. We continue playing the game. We get health kit. When we cross all the obstacles, Ethan's meet easy, and when he touches it, he completed the game successfully. And return to menu. This shows that we have finished the game successfully, but if Ethan's lose all life scores, Ethan's fail and the game restart. For example, let's continue the game. We'll lose all of the health score, and this game first science is menu and second science is labyrinth science. We have a 3 script file. These are cube rotator and main menu scripts. Also, we have a Ethan's scripts, third person user control. This scripts contains get damage scripts, pickups object scripts, also health scripts and score scripts. We have a render problem and we handle it. We use occlusion culling, Windows menus and occlusion culling. We choose this menu and if we click the bake, it's handled render problem.